scheduling a Google Meet starts in Google Calendar. To get to Google Calendar, you can go to calendar.google.com, or in a Google product, you can go to the 9-dot waffle up here and go down to the Google Calendar icon. Simply select a time that you'd like your Google Meet to take place. So for instance, if I click on this slot here in my calendar, I bring up a small box that allows me to add a title to the meeting, if the time is correct, and extend it if necessary. I can add guests at this stage. Just going to add in an email address, and I can check at this point a few permissions for the guests. You might want to change some of these, prevent them from inviting other people, for instance. And here is your Google Meet that you'll click on when you go to join the meeting. At the moment, I'm just going to click on more options just to show you what else you can do. Down the bottom of the screen here, you can add a few notes and description on what your meeting might be about, or some questions. You can create a document at this point that will become the meeting notes for the whole meeting, and that is available to all participants. And you can add other guests at this point. And then you just click Save, and this will tell you that you're about to email the people you're going to send emails to. And because I've put in a non-stirlingschools.net email address, it's asking me if I definitely want to do that, because this is outside of our organisation. And as I've typed that in, I'm pretty sure I want to invite that person, so I'm just going to click Invite All Guests. And there you have it, a meeting that has been scheduled in Google Calendar. I can click on it. I can then click on the pencil to edit the details of this, and this will update the attendees as well if you change it. So for instance, if I move the time of this meeting to a different one, I get an email ready to send in to the people with the updated information. And when it comes to the time for me to join this meeting, I can just click on the Join with Google Meet. And that's it. That's how to schedule a Google Meet and invite other people to it. The nice thing about creating Google Meet meetings in Google Calendar is that you can just simply email the joining information to somebody. So for instance, if I click on this meeting here, I can click on copy, and now I've copied all of the details, the time and title of the event, the Google Meet link here, and I can now paste that into a normal email and email to somebody. So you don't need to specifically invite somebody to a meeting through Google Calendar. You can just share the Google Meet link after you've copied it to the clipboard, and you can share that via any method. So for instance, that might be just a normal email.